Hello, first graders, or whoever's watching this video. Welcome. We are going to get started right away, and we always start with the date. Now, if you're watching this video sometime in the future, then still stick around because it's always good practice. Okay, today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. Perfect. Tomorrow will be March 2020. Huh. Well, if today's Tuesday, then tomorrow will be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You betcha! Wednesday, March. What comes after the 24th? 25th. Wow. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. Yes, we are correct. Go us, go us, go, go, go us. All right, boys and girls, we are going to warm up. Warm your brains. Oh, no, don't look at these yet. Oh, warm your brains. 10 minus 7. Giving you 3 seconds to think of the answer. 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 3. Haha, get it? 3, because 10 minus 7 equals 3. Oh my gosh, we are just so smart. Okay, let's do the next one. 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10. I notice that there's a 2 in the ones column. So 2, 12. Yes, yes, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 12 plus 10 equals 22. Do the 22 dance, 22 dance. Yeah. Oh, hey. Ooh, and last one. 14 minus 5. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. That's it. 14 minus 5 equals 9. Oh, I snapped really loudly. Okay, wonderful, wonderful job. We are going to continue with the lesson, which is called the counting up method of subtraction. So when we talk about counting up for subtraction, sometimes like this, 10 minus 7 equals 3. Would it make more sense to start at 10 and count all the way down? 10 minus 7 and count all the way down 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boring. No, sometimes it's a lot easier to just count up. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. You're done. All right, let's take a look at some examples. Right here we have 10 minus 8 equals 2. Okay? 10 minus 8 equals 2. So we are going to start at 8 and go all the way to 10. Real hard. Start at 8, go all the way to 10. So 10 minus 8, or 8 plus what, equals 10. This is called a fact family. So 8. We always try and see if we can at least add 10, because counting by tens can be very easy and it can shorten the amount of time that we count. But it looks like if I add 10, it would be 18, and that's just too big. So we're not going to add 10. If we don't add 10, then we are going to add ones. Because think about ones column, tens, hundreds. So we're going to add ones. If we cannot add tens, let's count by 1. 8, 9, 10. Psh, piece of cake. We are going to do some that are a little bit more challenging, so stick around. So I'm going to put a dot, 1, 2, over each jump so I can see how many I went. Same thing here. This is called a number grid, and we can use that to count up as well. We're starting at 8, 1 hop, 2 hops. Do you notice how I got 2? Oh, you look scary. I'll make you look happy. Do you notice how we went 2 hops? Very good. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. Or 8 plus 2 equals 10. All right. Let's keep moving, kiddos. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry, Mickey. All right. Very good. 15 minus 7. So I'm going to put our starting, which is 7. And we always see if we add 10, that would be 17. That would be too much. So we cannot do tens, so we will do ones. We will count up by ones. Let's count together. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woof! Well, that was tough. Let's see how many we counted up. Stop complaining, Mr. Frost. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm thinking that 15 minus 7 equals 8. Let's just double check with our grid. So we're starting at 7 and we're ending at 15. Very good. And let's just count right now to see how many we do. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A round of applause. I'm doing it in the shape of an 8. This is great. And it's getting late. All right, let's keep going. All right, our next one. 34 minus 16. Oh, boy. So let's start. We are going to start at 16. Okay. And we're going to end at 34. Now, when we're looking down, can we go down 10? Yes. Yes, we can. Because we're only at 26. And that is not 34 yet. Here's 34. Let me put that right here. Here's 34. And we're only at 26 right here. So I know that I can go plus 10. And notice that I'm writing plus 10 up there. So I know. So plus 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. 26. Very good. And now we want to count from 26 to 34. So count with me. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Whoa. All right, let's put some dots above those ones, okay? So we did tens, and now we're going to do ones. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so from 16 to 26, that's plus 10. And then we counted from 26 to 34, which is plus 8. And 10 plus 8 is 18. Now let's make sure again, okay? So here to here, let's just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we see how we landed at 26. So we're at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We landed at 24 and we counted up 18. Okay, so 34 minus 16 equals 18. Very nice. Very nice. We are going to do a few more and then you're going to try some on your own. Oh, all right. See, this one is a little bit... What? What? Instead of 33 minus 16, it's... Oh, instead of 34 minus 16, it's 33 minus 16. We are not even going to do all of this because to go from 34 to 33, you subtract 1. You only subtract 1. So what is our answer? 34 minus 16 was 18. So 33 minus 16 is 1 less than 18, or 17. So when you are taking a test or anything like that, use your other answers, use your other problems to help you out. Okay, let's do this one on your own. When I say to, please pause the video and either use your number line or the grid up here to help you. Okay? Pause the video now. Go ahead. Wonderful. You pressed play and we're ready to go. Okay. 26 minus 12. We are going to start at 12. And we are going all the way to 26. Very good. So let's see what we did. We always check to see if we can go by 10. It looks like we can. Go down 1. 12 plus 10 is 22. Wonderful. So we're going to do plus 10. Plus 10. Oh, yeah. So plus 10 is 22. Very nice. Now we're counting from 22 to 26. 23, 24, 25, 26. Now let's count how much we went in total. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whoa. We went 14 from 12 to 26. Let's make sure over here. 12 plus 10 is 22. 11, 12, 13, 14. And we include that last number. You did it. So proud, so proud. All right, let's keep going. We are going to do some word problems now. Okay? I'm here to help you, don't you worry. Let's read this together. Jane and Ryan were at the beach. Okay? So when we read word problems, we just stop to make sure that makes sense. And that does make sense. Jane and Ryan were at the beach. Together, they found 18 shells. So we know that we're putting a circle around 18. Together, they found 18 shells. Jane found 13 shells. How many shells did Ryan find? So what are we going to do? We are going to start at 13. Very good. Ooh, nice 3. And we are going to end at 18. So, all of these shells, all of these shells are the shells Jane found, and these shells in here are the shells Ryan found. So let's take a look. 13. Oh, if we go down 10, that's too far, so we count by ones. 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, let's count how many we went. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's count over here to make sure. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Now, for our number sentence, it is going to be 13. Oh, no. It's going to be 18 minus 13 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very good. All right. Last one that we're doing together. Last one. Jane and Ryan were at the beach. We already know that. And I would like to thank Shay Hare, Teacher Mood on Teachers Pay Teachers, for giving us this example right here. Jane and Ryan were at the beach. Together, they found 31 shells. So we're putting a circle. Oh. We're putting a circle on 31. And Jane found 14. How many shells did Ryan find? So let's make sense of this. So Jane found 14 shells. Let's show that. She found 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's what Jane found. Now, all of these are what Ryan found. So let's see how many he found together. Let's do it. All right, we are starting with 14, very nice. And we are ending at 31, good. Are you getting smarter than me? How dare you? 31. So let's see. Can we go from 14 down 10? Yes, we can. So 14 plus 10 is 24. So we write our plus 10. Very nice. And let's count how many it takes to get from 24 to 31. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Oh boy. Let's see how many we went up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So plus 7, 10 plus 7 is 17. Very, very nice. So our number sentence is 31 minus 14 equals 17. All right, that one was a little bit tougher. If that one didn't make sense to you, then that's okay. I'm glad you still got to see it, though. Okay, let us do this very, very last thing. You've been so patient. All right, I'm so happy for you. We are going to take a look at these. These are different problems. Some easier problems, harder, and then the hardest. Oh boy. So you are going to pause the video and you are going to answer at least 3 of these questions. So you can pause the video, write down the number sentences, and then you can go back to a number line or to a number grid and use that to help you. All right? So 19 minus 14, 22 minus 18, 27 minus 19, 32 minus 23, 38 minus 16, and 44 minus 20. Okay, pause the video now and solve those problems. Pause. Did you pause yet? Great. Welcome back to the video. We are going to answer the questions. If you got 3 right, wonderful. If you got 2 right, wonderful. If you got 1 right, try something that was a little bit easier. And if you did that, feel free to message me. Okay? So 19 minus 14 is 5. 22 minus 18 is 4. 27 minus 19 is 8. 32 minus 23 is 9. 38 minus 16 is 22. And drum roll, please. 44 minus 20 is 24. Whoop, whoop. All right. You did a wonderful, wonderful job today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video with me. Please, please, please keep practicing your math. All right? And if you know other ways other than counting up to subtract, feel free to use that. Whatever is easy for you is the method that you should be using. Okay, thank you so much. See you later.